up the seeds with its little birdie beak and flies away back home. Here comes a cardinal, his name's Dan. The daddy bird's red and the mama bird's tan. They work together the best they can to feed their babies back home. See the little bird in the window pane with his little birdie feet and the little birdie way. He eats up the seeds with his little birdie beak and flies away back home. Here comes a blue jay, her name's Sue, curious, bold, and wings of blue, calling out to you, how do you do? Then she flies away back home. See the little bird in the window pane with its little birdie feet and the little birdie way. It eats up the seeds with its little birdie beak and flies away back home. Here comes a chickadee named Eli, cute little fella, kinda shy, still wants to come around to say hi, then fly away back home. See the little bird in the window pane with his little birdie feet and the little birdie way. He eats up the seeds with his little birdie beak and flies away back home. Then flies away back home.